welcome everyone. Here we are with another Power Pack session on legal current affairs. और yes, last week शायद it has been missed out, but don't worry, आपके पास वो presentation पहुंच जाएगी through our Telegram main channel. तो आपको जब भी कोई भी PPT missed हो जाए या आपको लगता है कि इसके बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए था and we could not cover, आप please उसके लिए सारे doubts हमारे Telegram channel पे भी पूछ सकते हो. तो go and visit our Telegram channel जिसका नाम है CLLST CLAT Institute or the domain name is Law for LST. So go and check on that. Moving on with our few topics that we are going to cover this in this session. The first is that yes, SC has recommended, SC has fixed actually 30,000 per month as a notional income of a homemaker. Now, what is this notional income of a homemaker? When we are going to talk about it, Motor Vehicles Act के through there is the changes has been done. This came out picture on like 11th of June 2026. Bench में कौन कौन था? Bench में थे Justice Sanjay Karol and N. Koteshwar Singh ruled that unpaid domestic labor must be recognized under the Motor Vehicles Act. ठीक है, जहाँ पे setting of 30,000 per month as a minimum notional income compensation in motor accident cases. अब क्या होता था कि if there is a person, ruling की background, let us understand what happened. So ruling arose from an appeal seeking enhanced compensation which started in November 25, 2001. ठीक है, a homemaker died in a road accident. Now what happened? जो उसके there were people who were left behind, right? And she was a homemaker or he was a homemaker, and then there were people who were left behind, so they were claiming जो पहुंचे सुप्रीम कोर्ट किसके थ्रू? स्पेशल लीव पिटीशन. अब now you guys tell me किस आर्टिकल के थ्रू we can go to special leave petition under सुप्रीम कोर्ट, right? Now figure it out. कोर होल्डिंग क्या थी कि अंडर द मोटर व्हीकल्स एक्ट के अंदर in 1988 courts must assign notional income to non earning डिसीज्ड पर्सन. तो अगर कोई डिसीज पर्सन था जो नॉन अर्निंग था, होम मेकर था, तो उसके लिए उसके बिहाफ में जो उसके पीछा जो भी रह गए हैं उनके लिए देयर शुड बी सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ मनी ताकि वो चीज़ें खुद से कर पाए, राइट? अगर उनके देयर वाज जस्ट वन पर्सन हु वाज आल्सो होम मेकर, देयर इज नो वन, राइट? नाउ द मे बी किड्स वर देयर, तो वो कैसे, how will they take care of? So they started with a notional income of 30,000 per month as a minimum floor for homemakers. So this has been done and distinct compensation head loss of domestic care services हो जाती हैं, ठीक है? Separate head of compensation है, additional to proven income if the homemaker was also employed, ठीक है? Then precedent built upon किसका था? Kriti versus Oriental Insurance Company, which came out in 2021, which first elaborated on valuing a homemaker's notional income. That's how all these things came into picture. Now, the nation builders reasoning, 7+ hours daily, women spend सारे unpaid domestic work काम के लिए, 2.6 into caregiving gap है, women performing, right? Then 15 to 70% of the GDP contribution is estimated unpaid on the work of the India's GDP. The court stressed this ruling challenging entrenched gender stereotypes and redefines what society considers economically valuable, going beyond mere monetary assignments. SC dismisses Meenakshi Natarajan's nomination plea. So yes, this is our second topic जो we are going to cover, that is SC has dismissed Meenakshi's plea. Now what happened? On June 12, 2026, this thing came into picture in the court and Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra and Atul S. Chandrukar dismissed Congress leader. Who's Meenakshi? She's a Congress leader, Meenakshi Natarajan's plea को reject कर दिया है, ठीक है? और nomination from मध्य प्रदेश, directing her to pursue an election petition instead, ठीक है? क्यों किया? Then 329B, the constitutional bar ऑल्सो शी वॉज रिजेक्शन ऑफ अ राज्यसभा नॉमिनेशन फ्रॉम मध्य प्रदेश, ठीक है, राज्यसभा द अपर हाउस के लिए शी हैज बीन डिनाइड. आर्टिकल 329B के अकॉर्डिंग, now there is a big thing, right? We are going to study what? Article 329B. Mark it down, write it down somewhere, और इसके बारे में थोड़ा जाके रिसर्च करो. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बार क्या? स्टेप 1, nomination rejected by returning officer June 9 citing undisclosed criminal case. So there was a criminal case which was going on in Telangana in Form 26 affidavit. Step 2, Supreme Court bars the Article 32 writ, upholds Article 329B, election disputes must go through election petition only. The constitutional mandate क्या बोलता है 329B के according? What does 329B does? Bars courts from questioning any election to parliament. ठीक है, और state legislature except through a prescribed election petition. तो एक प्रिस्क्राइब्ड इलेक्शन पिटीशन है, उसके थ्रू ही आप पूछ सकते हो. द कोर्ट रिजेक्टेड द आर्ग्यूमेंट दैट आर्टिकल 32 कैन क्योर ग्लेयरिंग एंड मैनिफेस्ट एरर्स टू द नॉमिनेशन स्टेज. दिस इज व्हाट कोर्ट हैज कोटेड. नो टू कैटेगरीज एक्सेप्शन. सो 2 कैटेगरीज के एक्सेप्शंस आपको नहीं मिल सकते हैं. दैट इज कोर्ट्स रिफ्यूज टू क्लासिफाई डिस्प्यूट्स इनटू दोज वारंटिंग इमीडिएट इंटरवेंशंस, ठीक है, versus those requiring an election petition. Such a distinction finds no place in Article 329B. So this is what court had held. इससे questions mostly आपके Article 329B पे बनेंगे, Article 32 पे बनेंगे, how it was challenged इस पे बनेंगे, ठीक है. Remedy preserved so sorry, remedy preserved and key precedents अगर मैं बात करूँ तो remedy preserved थी. Natarajan may challenge the rejection via an election petition. Post poll under section 100, Representation of People's Act. Court observation will not prejudice future proceedings. NP Ponnaswamy said foundational precedent, election disputes must follow. It must follow, but the statutory mechanism election is in Article 329B covers the entire process of from nomination onwards. Mohinder Singh Gill, key authorities reinforcing non-interference by courts during the ongoing election process. The third topic that we're going to discuss is the India proposes unifying broadcasting rules under Telecom Act, which is a big thing. So we all watch TV, right? जो बच्चे नहीं देखते हैं वो मिलेनियन से पूछे, millennials watch TVs only, right? So moving on, June 12, 2026, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन ब्रॉडकास्टिंग ने रिलीज किया है क्या? एक ड्राफ्ट रिलीज किया है जिसका नाम है टेलीकम्युनिकेशंस, टेलीविजन, रेडियो एंड एसोसिएटेड सर्विसेज रूल्स 2026 फॉर पब्लिक कंसल्टेशन. किसके लिए किया है? फॉर पब्लिक कंसल्टेशन. स्टेक होल्डर्स में सबमिट कमेंट्स ऑन जुलाई 27, 2026. इसका बेसिस क्या था? द रूल्स operationalize the Telecommunication Act 2023 which replaced the colonial era Indian Telegraph Act 1885. Consolidation and key provisions, 6 frameworks into 1, तो 6 frameworks को एक में कर दिया. And the rules consolidated TV channels, DTH, HITS operators, private FM radio, community radio, IPTV, previously governed by separate policies for 20 years into single authorization based regime. Authorization tenures 10 years, 20 years and 15 years. TV channels and community radio, DTH and HITS distribution, private FM radios. सबके authorization tenures बताए गए. Public interest क्या था? TV channels must air content for of national importance 30 minutes per day between 6 to 11 p.m. 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Ease of business, digital applications, GOP, remove simplified authorization procedure. Also gender provision, 50% women representation mandated in community radio. यहाँ पे they have given the gender provision. Advisory committees. Key takeaways, 30,000 national income जो set की गई है. The disease is a homemaker. Article 329B upheld election disputes including nomination rejections and must go through election petition, not writ jurisdiction. ठीक है. Also unified broadcasting rules, 6 fragmented works consolidated into one, Telecom Act 2023 with a digital authorization based regime. These are the key takeaways of yours into this session, and I really hope you like this session. Go through it. These are the good topics. There are n number of chances that they come. Also, I really hope you are liking LawLens. If you're still not, give us suggestions. All the CL students and the outsiders, I will let you know. We go for LawLens. That is a legal current affairs magazine, a month magazine, right? That is it from my end. Bye bye. Bye bye and take care. All of you, do subscribe the channel, and if you are not have not joined any of our channels, any of our communities, do go and join them. और हमें कमेंट करके बताओ कि what else we can do better and improve ourselves, and do let us know what else you want from us. Okay, bye bye students, bye bye.